let's go ahead and get started. First in line today is Sandy. Sandy, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hi, I have a question regarding online wills where you can pull up the documents and create your own will.
All right.
I wanted to know if your will is basically simple, husband, wife, everything gets divided evenly between the children.
Right.
Are they legal in the state of Florida?
Well, to make a legal will in the state of Florida simply requires that your will be in writing, you have signed it, and there be at least 2 witnesses to it. So that would be a legally valid will, and that's not necessarily a good will. So, Sandy, I'm going to give you a biased opinion, and that is this, is that, you know, when I'm sitting down and taking information from people about their wills, and they say, Tom, we want to leave everything equally to our kids, then my next question is, if one of your children happened to die before you, would his or her share go to his or her children, your grandchildren, or would his or her share go to your surviving children? And a lot of people look at me and they go, Tom, I never thought about that. Well, if you didn't know that that was something you need to think about and you're doing your own will, you may not answer that question. So, Sandy, that would be one thing. The other thing is that when we do wills for people, we really do a package of 4 documents, and they're all important, Sandy. They are a will, a living will, where you ask that you not be kept alive by artificial means, a power of attorney for health care, and a power of attorney for financial affairs. And then one more thing, Sandy, when you come to our office to do a will for you, and part of that discussion is going to tell you, Sandy, that having a will has nothing to do with avoiding probate. So not only are we going to do your will for you, but we're going to give you simple tools that you can use to avoid probate. So all these things are important to you, Sandy. Of course, I'd love for you to come and see us. We would love to take care of it for you. Sandy, does that answer the question for you?
Yes, it does. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. So if you want help doing your will, all you have to do is give us a call anytime at our office at 407-423-5561 about getting those important 4 documents done, as well as getting some tips from us about easy ways to avoid probate.